then I can go with it.
Stop.
I'm not stopping it because it's still making music.
You're going to put your mouse right on stop, Jada, and then click it. Otherwise it won't stop. You got to move your mouse. There you go.
Go.
Stop. I'll put it right on his foot. I'll put that right on his ladder. I'll put that right here. Right here, right here, right
Someone's picking me up.
right.
John, will you say right really quiet?
Right. Oh,
Okay, Jada, you put it down. Now pick a new one. Maybe a tree.
yeah, well, I'm picking a tree right now.
It's me, guys. Sarah, we have missed you.
No, I want
Look,
to
Mom.
go.
Pumpkin patch.
I found Sarah.
Good.
Go.
You did it, Jada. Good job.
I think you're good at it.